Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you, boy. It's another ChEring episode, and today I would like to talk about one of the industry sector or chemical engineering job sector that you might not familiarize with. Me myself, I just found this sector recently, and for me, it's very interesting and unique. So it's something that we don't really get the exposure during college. It's the sportswear industry. So you might be thinking, huh, really? Chemical engineer can work in a sportswear industry? So yeah, interesting that I found some of the job opening in that industry, and I definitely sure that you know the brands because it's a very big brands in sportswear industry. So yeah, in this video I would like to go through each of the job opening so you could know what's the job doing and what's the qualification. Probably if you're thinking to work in this industry, so you could prepare yourself, and if you are still a student, you might think also if this kind of job suits for you and whether this is a dream job for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump to the list. On my first list is the senior chemical engineer from Nike. So this is related to the manufacturing and engineering team, supply chain and distribution team. The location is in South Korea. So yeah, in this position, the role will design, develop, and transition new technologies, materials, and manufacturing processes. Okay, so it will relate also with the process of manufacturing to create the world's best athletic footwear. So yeah, it's a footwear products. Yeah, the qualification itself is a bachelor, master, or PhD in chemical engineering. Yeah, but there are some alternate majors such as chemistry, polymers, or related field with 5+ years of relevant experience. So this is relatively small amount of years of experience, I think, for senior one. So yeah, if you're interested to work in this position, to be in senior role, you need around 5 years of experience. But the experience, of course, preferable it should be in the footwear or related industries. What is the related industries here? It's the tires, polyurethane, or plastic. So because I think this is the building blocks of a footwear. So if you understand the chemistry of or the processing of this components, it is very useful to work in this position. Okay, so about the tools, it's about statistic tools, yeah, like Minitab, Statistica, Excel, DOE. So it's like for experiment or yeah, something for data analytics is needed here in job. And let's see about the job role. This role will serve as a functional expert in the product development. It's from the R&D stage. And in that stage, we need to identify and resolve the potential manufacturing issues. So it's something that we learn as well during college about how to scale up a process from R&D to manufacturing scale. Okay, the next one is applicates chemical and process engineering knowledge to design, develop, and scale new products and processes. So this is very interesting because this line, it sounds very chemical engineers, where it applies the knowledge of process engineering to design, develop, and scale. Oh, this is very interesting. Performing development engineering work across chemical, material innovation, and mechanical functions. Yeah, because these roles will relate to the manufacturing. So of course we need to work together with them. Yeah, implement best practice across manufacturing location. Yeah, how to make the process efficient, something like that. Okay, the next one is from Under Armour. I bet you know this brand as well. So actually this position is closed already, but yeah, I want to still share about this role because very unique. For this role is in Indonesia. It is called as a senior professional chemical engineering. It's in the Cirebon city in Indonesia. Okay, so first we look at the purpose of the role. Will enhance the product quality and lead strategic chemical and sustainable projects from concept to manufacturing. So the key is the same. It's from the R&D to the manufacturing scale. We'll apply design of experiment methodology. So this is also same with the previous one where there is the use of data analytics tool, yeah, for experiment, yeah, like Minitab, Statistica, DOE. So so far it's quite similar. Furthermore, this role will function as a subject matter expert in the bottom component technology for product creation teams. Yeah, during development stage, yeah, during the R&D, and identify, mitigate as well potential manufacturing hurdles. So it's very similar. Yeah, we need to identify and to mitigate the potential manufacturing hurdles or problems early on the R&D stage. So next we take a look at the qualifications. Bachelor degree with minimum 5 years. Okay, so it's the same 5 year minimum, and proven track record of implementing formulations. So yeah, the role is highly depend on the formulation of the chemicals, I think. So it's very important that this person have the experience in formulations. Last but not least, it's from Adidas as a senior manager chemical engineering. This job is based on Jakarta. Yeah. Again, it's already the past job, but yeah, I want to share this position or this kind of job posting to you guys. Okay, first, let's see the responsibilities. Utilize QIP and audit tools to ensure compliance with the group. So audit is, I think, related to the processing, I guess. Yeah. Next is ensure primer, adhesive, and bonding process. So this is similar with the Under Armour um, job where we need experience in adhesive bonding processes. Then provide technical expertise to ensure compliance of rubber and EVA components. So this is, I guess, like related, yeah, to the building blocks of the products. Yeah, rubber, EVA, adhesive. So it's also similar with the previous role. Leads the implementation of new technologies. Yeah, so it's about the R&D, implementation to the real plant, to the manufacturing scale, and then about costing as well. So it's not only the technical, but also the economical of the processing, yeah, from the raw material and also the chemical markets. Okay, and also relates with the health and safety. Wow, it's about the process safety. Yeah, very interesting. So it's like very holistic job. Yeah. Now let's see with the prerequisite. Yeah, the first one is about the degree. It's from the chemistry or polymer science. So I think that this job recruiter has the intention more to the science uh, part compared to the engineering. But if we see the second point here, the person should have experience 8 to 10 years in the chemical engineering field. So I think if chemical engineers graduate um, and have this experience, I think it's still eligible for the qualification as well. Okay, so that's all in my list. Are you interested to join the footwear industry? If you are interested, so you can prepare with the qualifications, with the knowledge, with the skills. But if you are not interested, at least you know that there is a sector in chemical engineering that work for a footwear industry, which for me it's quite interesting and something that I don't really know before. As a chemical engineering, we tends to know the job in the chemical, pharmaceutical, petrochemical, in the fertilizer, but no one really think that chemical engineer can work in the sportswear industry. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this video will be insightful for you, and see you in the next ChEring episode. Bye bye.